Bitcoin has crushed $80,000. Beautiful, beautiful charts we're looking at today. Lots of things happening in the altcoin space as well. Big moves. The market's so bullish, even Cardano was up like 100% or something in the past few days. It's been nuts. Congratulations, Cardano holders, by the way. I know we make jokes, but that's impressive. Well done. Bitcoin moving hard. And the PTSD, I think, of the average person right now, just like, oh, can we really trust this all-time high breakout and this 20% weekly candle? If you can't trust this, I have no idea what to do in these markets, to be honest, because these kind of all-time high breaks with this kind of decisiveness, and what's what we want to see? We want to see decisive. We don't want to see some, like, weekend sort of, wet blanket bullshit here, okay? We got a decisive move, and let's look at that decisive move because it's a beautiful candle. Look at that bad boy. Gosh darn. I'm telling you, man, somebody's got to frame that and put that in their office. That's a beautiful, beautiful candle right there. This is the kind of move you generally don't want to fade. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not saying there won't be pullbacks. There will be pullbacks. They'll be vicious. They'll be quick. And they'll probably get bought up pretty quickly because it is a bull market. The final phase of the bull market, how long that final phase lasts, is it going to be 3 months, 6 months, 12 months? Nobody knows. Okay, I still think March, April top is a likely scenario, but maybe I'm just not being bullish enough. We'll have to, of course, watch different indicators, different metrics at the time to see, of course, what's going on, and we'll make lots of videos about that. We'll talk about it, okay? But that's for later us to worry about. Today, us looking at this beautiful breakout, of course, happening. And look at that bad boy. Gosh darn. Gosh darn. Continuation could continue all the way up to around 100K over the next few weeks. Now, for reference, back in 2020, when we had this kind of a breakout happen, we had about 100% move in 4 weeks. So the price of Bitcoin went from about 20K to 42K in just a short 4-week period. Now, will we see a similar move this time where Bitcoin goes from 74K to 150K, which is the 2.618 Fibonacci target line? I don't know. Feels like with such big numbers, such big market cap, maybe 100K becomes a more reasonable stopping point. We shall see, of course. But regardless, beautiful move here for the market. CryptoCon here saying phase 4, the incredibly accurate RSI Bollinger Band percentage phase has completed the all-time high break. Bitcoin is one more cross left to go. Phase 5, the cycle top, which this metric has been able to pick out better than almost any other. The bull market is peaking, and he says, I hope that you've prepared. There you go. So we have one more RSI peak. So the top's not in quite yet, but we are starting to get pretty gosh darn close to that topping scenario. It's not that far away. Again, could be 3 months, could be 6 months, could be a year, but we're closer to the end than to the beginning of this market cycle, okay? Keep that in mind. Next day of the great chart here, he says, RSI has never been this low on a price discovery breakout. Raise your targets. That's actually insane. Look at these charts right here. That's stochastic and the regular RSI, but gosh damn, it's actually crazy how low the RSI is right now on this major breakout. What a time to be in the markets. The rest of the charts, real quick, if you're not yet signed up to BitUnix, you might want to check it out. This is a no KYC exchange, meaning you can have privacy with your trading. A lot more people are available to trade over here. And they have a crazy deposit bonus going on right now. Basically, put in $200, you get 150 USDT back that you can use for trading on the platform. It's pretty damn cool. Again, no KYC, which is super awesome. So if you're a cryptocurrency trader, go check it out because this is a limited time offer. It's only available for about another 10 days. So hop on it, take advantage of it now. Link down below where you get your $150 for free after depositing $200 and no KYC. Go check it out. So this is very interesting. Jack Lurek posted this. He said the S&P 500 seasonality in presidential years since 1932. You can see the market's strongest rally was between elections and presidential inauguration that was followed by over 100-day-long pullback. Given that two of my most important indicators, we get key confluence. The economy is not in a recession yet, but the recession risk has started going up again. That's very interesting. So we could see that first peak price of 100 or even 150K for Bitcoin sometime in January. Major pullback in the market for a final rally up into April or something like that at the 200K peak. We shall see, of course, how that all plays out. Tech Dev here is saying liquidity cycle's green leg is here. Do not fade the liquidity cycle. They can be short or longer. If it's a longer one, of course, then top's going to come in late 2025. If it's a shorter one, we get a sooner top. But do not fade the liquidity cycle, guys. China out here unveiling $1.4 trillion debt package to ease local government financing. They're printing, guys. The money's coming. The money's coming. It's crazy. Ethereum here looking at some major breakout move here. Now look at this. Just short term, you can see we've got the weekly RSI MACD, or sorry, weekly MACD, not the RSI. Weekly MACD has got hit the bull cross. We see the $2,800 break. Man, what a move. Very decisive candle here for Ethereum, basically saying, I am not dead. I'm coming back. We're going to pump it, baby. Now we are coming up very close. Look at this line drawn from the last market cycle peak right down. When we cross over $3,800, that's the signal, man. That is the line. We are going to go crazy, probably up to 10K in not so long amount of time when that happens, okay? Solana as well, the Chad coin of Chad coins. Now, again, this is a major breakout for one of the most hyped, successful, and strong price performing coins of the market cycle. You can fade that if you want, but it's probably going to go up to $500 before you know it, in my opinion. Look at this. That orange line right here, green candles blasting over it. That's the previous resistance from back here at the early part of the year. We had 4 weekly candles all lining right up there. Well, guess what? Now Solana has said, screw those weekly candles. We're going higher, baby. Hitting just beautiful targets, massive breakout there. Again, we're seeing charts like this right across the crypto space right now. Don't think about it too hard, man. Just, long your longs, I guess. Terrero Romero here posted about Sui Network in particular ranking 4th among blockchains, the most transactions in 2024. But what's interesting, Near protocol, I like and look at that. 2nd place with nearly 2 billion transactions in 2024. Now, Near as an AI chain does not get the kind of love that it probably should, but I am paying attention, and we're going to be securing a bag of that here. So very interesting to see that it's getting so much adoption. Interesting here, too, is that Aptos, not that far behind at 1.2 billion. Got a bag of Aptos, by the way. As always, want to know what cryptocurrencies I hold. My portfolio disclosures down below in the description on YouTube. Pin, come on, and X, current holdings, OTC investments, private round deals, all that kind of stuff. It's all there. Plus the risk saving, because investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all your money. Don't forget it. Okay, so also interesting, even like base, in spite of all the hype, all the excitement, lagging behind Sui, lagging behind Aptos. We're lagging way behind Near. I mean, my goodness, Near, dude. That's something to pay attention to, in my opinion. Aptos, man. He said, we told you things would change in Aptos in a post-native USDT era. It's only been 2 weeks. Week 3 will be even more interesting. Of course, we're seeing huge amounts of unique active wallets, transactions soaring, DApp volume going up big time here. So great news for Aptos to see all of that starting to come to fruition. Updates from Near protocol. Near AI assistant is in alpha. This is pretty cool. I'm telling you, Near protocol, man, they got some stuff cooking. Near AI Research Hub is live with the first LLM training competition. Near protocol now includes intents for users and agents, and the Near blockchain is rocketing towards 200 millisecond blocks next year. Technologically, Near is well ahead of many of its major competitors. It's very, very interesting for sure. Now, here's something. Murad posted this. Top gainers of the last 60 days, of course. 11 out of 15 of them are meme coins, man. One of them, Virtuals Protocol, is like a meme coin launchpad dealio thing. So, like, man, holy crap. If you're still fading meme coins, you're fading some of the best performing assets of the market cycle. We've been talking, of course, about Dog with Hat and lining up that trade for people in the newsletter. So I hope that some of you have caught that and have been paying attention. Damn, man. Meme coins are definitely where the money is being made this cycle. Not having any meme coins in your portfolio, you're probably underperforming people who have even a bit of exposure to big cap meme coins. Like the random shit that launches every day under $1 million market cap. And everyone wants to be the exception and make the big bucks. But like, if you're just getting some of these meme coins around 20, 50, $100 million market caps, man, there's so much money to be made on these things, especially if you use a little bit of leverage just to, juice it up a little bit. This guy here, he said, last bull run, I bought a meme coin on a whim because I thought the logo was cute and the market cap was under $1 million. I didn't watch it for months. One day I randomly checked and saw it was worth millions in my wallet. Assumed the liquidity, so went to Uniswap, clicked swap, displayed a real-time swap of 1,000 ETH. I thought it would go to billions, and I held. I was one click away from being a millionaire. It's no longer worth anywhere near that. If you see life-changing money on the table, for the love of God, change your life, man. Take some money off the table. Take it all off the table, man. Sail away and be happy and just forget all this bullshit, man. Just be happy. Just be happy. Take your millions. Marry a beautiful girl. Make lots of kids. Okay? Live on a boat in the Caribbean or something, man. Seriously. Hey, sign up to our newsletter. It's awesome, by the way. If you want to help that dream come true, sign up to our newsletter. It's awesome. You love it. Every single week, my team and I are working very hard to bring this to you with all kinds of alpha and insights on altcoins, meme coins, DeFi tutorials, altcoin deep dives, and much with the news. We talk about the news in the newsletter. I know it's crazy. And much, much more. Check it out. 145,000 people a week read this bad boy. You can too. Straight to your inbox for free. Link down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.